What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're going to review the Cpfm Nike Dunk Low. I don't know the colorway, guys. Every time Cactus Flea Plant drops something, it's just always confusing. You don't know where it came from. Like, I believe this is the Psychic Blue. It came out with 3 colorways. The green joints, which was alright. The yellow ones, which was my favorite, but I felt like these ones pop more. Wait till you see the left side, you'll know what I'm talking about. But we're going to review these in 4K, guys, man. Hit the B-roll. See what I mean? So again, it was 3 colorways. Sequoia, Sakaya. I never knew how to pronounce that word. So someone put it in the comment section below. Sequoia, Psychic Blue, and something purple. I felt like these popped again. We seen them first on Travis Scott feet a couple of weeks ago. And when I seen them on Travis Scott feet, I knew I wanted them. I think this is from the Sponge by You collection from Cpfm back in... It was a while ago, but you see the sponge look on the sneaker, so it gotta be there. You know, also, a couple months ago, they did the SpongeBob joint with Uniglow. So I don't know where it's really steaming from, but in CPFM fashion, they're nice, they're dope, and they weird, man. So I'm hyped to get into this, man. Let's unbox them. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get like a steel looking box with some rust on it, making it look like, I guess, they found it in a swamp. You see the little hits of brown and rust all on it. Sandpaper box, not your regular box. So I really like that. Dope. I can't really read out these whole words here. I know I see cactus, but I wasn't really trying to strain my eyes, guys. If y'all see it, throw it in the comment section below. But I know I see cactus. I just don't know what the rest is. But that rust is super dope, man. And then right here, you got like a super clean Nike swoosh. Everything else is rusty and old, but that Nike swoosh looks dope, man. And it reads Nike Cpfm Swamp Sponge Photo Blue Digital Pink. Yeah, I knew this was the photo blue ones. Also, you get a yin yang logo there. I guess signifying that both shoes are different, you know, like yin yang, black and white. Flip open the lid. Get a wave tissue paper, man. Get wave tissue paper, ocean, something with some water. Then you get the regular tissue paper. And then you get this nice towel bag, towelette bag. It reads, ask me about the sponge. Super dope. It is sponge material, but it is towel material. With a light drawstring on it in a gray colorway. I always love when they give us goodies with the sneakers. And let's start with the left shoe of these dunks. Again, if y'all remember the Blazers that came out a couple years ago, Nike Blazers had the same sponge look. The orange hair reminded me of that just now. But it's like so much different materials on here. In the beginning of the video, I showed y'all the verties, because that's the material you get here. It looks like an orange verdi here. Instead of that yellow and that blue and that green, you get the orange hair, and it is fluffy, guys. Like, you can shave this. This is crazy, soft material, man. But the toe box is really the star for me here, man. You get that mud look here. But the materials was dope, man. And being that it's not a light material, if you spill something on this, you really don't have to worry about it. This is reminding me of the off-white, it's escaping me right now, guys. But reminding me of that off-white material there. And then you get the inside couch look around it in that yellow. Making it look like a Sesame Street character, man. That's dope. Let's move further up on the shoe. Another material is incorporated here. This is more of a sponge look here. Then you get another material here, a red swoosh, but it's the same material as the orange here, so those play off each other. You get a swamp green in the background, and I love this. I know it's an underrated part of the sneaker that they kept this black, man. If they'd have made this white or something, man, it would have threw the sneaker off. I like how they kept it black here, giving it some kind of like, okay, I could put on black jeans type joint, man. Come to the back, your Nike Dunk logo here is embedded in that orange. Then you get that outside couch and that yellow again, the orange again. Come around the sneaker, same swoosh color, the red, green, everything's the same from outside to inside on this left pair. Now let's get to the tongue. The tongue also has that cushion material around it, off-white style, all green army tongue. You can't even see if something's here, but it reads just Nike, not Nike Dunk Low, just Nike here. And then you get some like some bright green shoelaces come lace, but you can also do the blue. But look close at the blue, it's a different material. I don't know what material we up to now. It gotta be 8 or 9. But you get your regular flat lace shoelaces, or you could do the blue. Either or, I mean, you can't go wrong. The sneaker's so colorful, man. Speaking of colorful, no shoe tree, just tissue paper. The inside is a whole rainbow. It's a whole rainbow in that inside, guys. The inside of the sneaker is all rainbow. Every color in the shoe is inside the sneaker. And that's pretty much for the left side. Again, I told y'all all black at the bottom. Let's get to the blue side. Now, I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. If the sneaker was just this, I think it would have been doper. I like the orange, but the mismatch is wild. If the sneaker was just this blue and pink, man, I think it would have sold more. We'll talk about the pricing in a minute. So around here, you get the blue, but it's not as abrased as the orange pair, right? The blue pair is a little more settled, right? Straight to foot. You can't really shave this off if you want it. But this toe box is doper. You get a black mesh toe box with green under it. That's super dope. You still get the cushion on the outside though. And this pink swoosh pops, guys. This pink swoosh pops, guys. This reminded me of like a Nike SB look here. I'm not gonna lie. That pink pops, man. The blue again is settled on this right side. That's why I kind of like the right side better. Got your Nike there. Again, more the cushion. This blue material is dope. It look like yarn, like your grandma or auntie could have yarned that. I like that. But I behind the swoosh, I like the swoosh so dope. I ain't even tell you. Behind the swoosh, it's like a coat material back there. I don't know what you would call that, but it's like a little spring jacket material back there. North Face style. It comes in your purple shoelaces, but then you got the green. Again, whatever one you want to do, bro. The tongue here is all black as opposed to the other one was all green. And again, they blacked out the Nike logo there. And yeah, man, that's the right side. Of course, the inside is the same also with the colors. Yes, sir. So retail on these I think was $155. When they dropped, I saw that retail was only $155 and I went for all 3 pairs. Even though the original pair, I would say, that's the pair without all these colors and all that stuff going on. The green joints, Sequoia joints, those wasn't ones I wanted, but those are really the regular pair, and those are the ones that you really could put an outfit together. But once I saw that was $155, I went for all 3, because when Cpfm and Nike get together, the prices is usually ridiculous. We all know that. But when I saw they stuck with a $155, I went for all 3. I didn't hit none. But I know I really wanted to see this pair in hand, so I went to GOAT and I copped it on the third party market. So I paid $255, I believe. Retail's $155. If you look now, you can still a pair for like $210, $220. So prices are dropping on this style depending on size, man. The yellow ones is even lower now, and I feel like I want those now. So I might go get those two, get y'all a review. But let me know how y'all feel about this sponge joint here, man. I don't know if they wearable, but I thought the same thing with my Verdes, and my birthday was last week, and I put those on. So everything's wearable. We just got to figure it out, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.